Yes, hello? This is Miss Sam. Put me through the wicked Russian. President Putin. Put him on the phone. I said put him on the phone. If you know what you know, may I beg you, woman, put the waistband on the phone. Right? Because me will end up in a Russia, you know. And if me turn up outside Punta office, it is a done deal. I will scandalize down to him, mama, papa, whether them dead or alive. So if you're not worried about it, yes.
Bye, Samantha. Thank you.
Okay, bye, honey. All right, I'll hold. Lord Jesus, pilot me today. Pilot me. Yes, Puntan. Wicked dirty dog, Puntan. Hear me. This is me. I watch the news, you know, and I see war go on down in Syria. And me know, say you have a hand in it. No. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. Una send una aircrafts over Syria with una chemical poison and a kill off the people. 80-something people is dead right now. And 25% of that is the children. Well, let me tell you, you dirty, stinking dog. Hot in the panics for you. Right? May I tell you that? Yes, me dress like a soldier today because that's the mood that I'm in. I tell you, Bob Marley never lie when he say war in the east, war in the west, war down north, and war down south. Me tell you, me ready for war now. Yes, I am worried now. Are you listening to what I got to say to you now? Yes, me know say you on the waist Trump behind it too. Me da put nothing past him. Then he want blame Obama, say Obama never stop it from before. Only because he's a lazy dog and he doesn't want to do his work. That's why I'm having waste data sworn in to do work with him because he not had the brain. Trump not had the brain. So I use him data. But that's not gonna last long. Yeah, because him wife dumb as a bat. So him a take him data. I don't even know if the man not dead with him data. Him too close, him act like him data is his wife. Yes, me say, me not care if it get back to him. Tell him whatever I don't want to do with it. He's a dirty dog. Yes. Alright, my spirit know differently. Him and him data too close and him too feely and touchy. Me not even know if he don't mess with the data from she young. Yes, me I put it out there, me not care. Right, dirty dog. No, use another dirty dog now. Right? Because I tell you, not even in hell them want you. You's a wicked man. Make the people them do airstrikes and everything and kill off the poor innocent little children. I don't know what you're going to say to the good Lord. I know you're going to be bound up and chained up in a hell with Satan. That's all me have to say to you. And me I tell you something, God going to remove you and bring your kingdom down. Remember, Miss Sam tell you that. Yes, you's a evilous man. Evil, me say. Wicked. Uno gotta get what's coming to Uno. May I tell you? Now try explain nothing to me, Puntan. Because you is a waste man. I mean I like you. Me say me not like you. Right, you're evil. Matter of fact, let me come off of the phone. May I try walk with the Lord, but if me spend another minute on the phone with you, me have to go fast for 40 days and 40 nights. Right, I right now me not have the energy for that. Right, my energy to positive things. Yes. Fire burn you and brimstone. Right. Bye. Hello? Can I raise what you want? I'm not in a frame of mind today. No, I'm not. Have you been watching the news and see what's happening in Syria? How they're killing these poor innocent people and the Russians then fly over them plane and let go some chemical reaction over there where I kill off everybody. No, me not in the frame of mind. Me not like you. Yeah. No. Why am I cussing you out? Because of your waste friend them in our government up in Washington, D.C. Yes. I know if you was in power, you would have bombed them up. The Russians. Me know. That's true. Me give you that. Yes, somebody need to burn up them rats, like the Palestine or Russia. But they need to do something, man. America, go sit down and take this, because you know what? We're going to be next. We are going to be next. But you know the worst Trump? Yes. The dumbass Trump. Them I grew up before them. I don't want to hear gunfire from nobody. The worst Trump. He ain't afraid of punting like a puss. They tell you, meow. He ain't afraid. No love Hillary, no funny. People are dead right now. And the little innocent children, oh Lord God, my heart feel it, my heart break. What are we going to do as a nation? Are we going to sit down and watch them destroy Syria's people and their children? Huh? Oh, Lord have mercy, I tell you. Right now, me see this little picture walk by with her dog. The one where did make her dog defecate. Turn your face up, look at it. Turn your face. You can't even look over here. Yes, look over here, make me dig out the two eye them where you have. Yes, the one they bring her dog for defecate on my land, on my property. She must see me and make her pick up every piece, Hillary. What do you mean? Me not have a dog, so why me must clean after people dog? No, sir. A cat me like, a puss me like, me not like dog. Only the little one, them, yes. There's one Rottweiler that I like, Sheba. Nice dog. Well, in a Rottweiler, you know, I stand corrected. It is a pit bull. Yes. That's the only pit bull dog me love. Trust me. Yeah. Me alright, man. Me wake up in good spirit and then me watch the news. That's why sometimes Hillary, me not even like to watch the news then, you know. Lord jeez. It's not fake news, a real news. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. Me I tell you, I could stay out here all day. Matter of fact, me have some drink in the fridge. Me I can have a little drink. I'll calm me nerves because the serious situation will take me in. Me I tell you, Rasta. Yeah. Anyway, me have to go. Me have to love and leave you. Them a blow before Hillary. Me have to go. What? Only my number, you know. Only my Sam number, you know. Give me a break, man. All right, later, man. Yes, hello? Put me through to Governor Scott, please. The Indian, put me through, man. Right, so me ask too much damn questions. What I said you ask too much damn questions. That's what me say, open up your ears away. Put Governor Scott on the line. It's Miss Sam. How much time I must tell you? Yeah, I'm holding. Yes. Scotty. That's what we call you. Yes, Dirty Scotty. Alien Scotty. Beat me up, Scotty. Yes, because you look like alien. Hear me now and hear me well, because we only have to speak once. Me want you to release all the prisoners. The M13 gang, the Crips, the Blood, me not the shower posse, me not care the cartel posse. We want everybody one name, we can't even remember the man name. Just release the bad boys them. We're going to Russia. Yes, because I don't like what them are doing in Syria. We're going to take them out. I mean, listen, your waste friend Trump, he the waste president. Now God do nothing. He only have a bag of talk. You understand? I feel him friend I kill off the people them in Syria. So since he now do nothing, me say I gotta do something today. Today. Me want the prisoners released within 72 hours. Yes. Because me want go do what me have to do over the weekend and fly back in, you know. Yes. Release them. Scotty, me I tell you, release them, because if you not release the bad boy then it's going to be problems up in the ear. You hear me? Alright. Me now call you back, you know. Me now call you back. Alright,